This is breaking news. Breaking news. Today is Tuesday, November 16th. After the market is closed, market had a good run today, all green as you can see. Tesla will be added to the S&P 500. Here you see the ticker. Pulled it up in Yahoo Finance. You can see after hours is up $42, up 10%. No news on this site, but if you go to Seeking Alpha, you see it here. It's joining the S&P. It gives you a date of when the rebalancing has happened. There is some discussion on whether or not companies are required to do it in different tranches, and the reason why is because it's such a big company. You don't want all these companies buying it all at the same time. Obviously, that would affect the supply and demand, and it'll push up prices. So we'll see what happens. The best thing in the world is for the market to correct between now and December 21. So if there's some bad news coming out or whatever, you want the market to go down. This way, all these mutual fund companies that are buying it will pay a little bit less than what it is now. But no one knows what the future holds. In addition to this, a lot of other companies are trading up in sync. Neil has trading up after hours. They do have an earnings coming out, I believe, tomorrow. I think even Workhorse is up. And we'll take a quick look at that Workhorse group. So the whole EV space looks like it's all moving together. And there you go, it's up. So tomorrow should be a pretty decent day for EV stocks. So we just have to follow that and see what happens. The next interesting thing is market cap. Market cap of Tesla is huge. 386 million. And if here I'll use a stock screener and then just sort it or resort it on market cap. I just want to take a quick look at the top 5. You can see the top 5s. And then Visa, Taiwan Semiconductor, Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, and Tesla is number 14. You see this? 489 million. So 489 million, we're using a stock price of what it was closed at. It was a 408. You see that? 408.09. So that's the stock price. I'm just going to do something real simple. Just do some quick math. This divided by the stock price. And then the new stock price after hours is 452. So what I'm going to show you real quick, 452. What's the new market cap? Will be this times the same ratio here. And so that's the new market cap. So overnight, this thing just gained 41 million dollars, or is that, hang on one second, let me see the decimal places. Yeah, okay, $41 million in market cap just in that one announcement. So you can see this is a big addition. So what do you do now? If you own Tesla and you had it, let's say you owned it for a year or two, I mean, you've done really well this year. If you look at a year to date, you see this? If you held it for this year, you've done well. So what does it mean? Should you sell maybe half of it, take your profits, because your 401k plan and every mutual fund that follows the S&P will now have this. If you own it longer, and I'm just going to hit 5 years, but if you own it longer, it may make sense for you to take some of your winners out, because you're going to have this holding as an S&P 500. If you're an options trader, maybe what you can do is do some protected put, protect it on the downside, but we know it's going to shoot up. Short term, it's going to run up, but who knows what's going to happen after that. Once it goes on every mutual fund, will it continue going up? I don't know, but this is why if you own something like this and you got in at 40 or 50 bucks, you 10x your money or more, right, depending on when you got in. Sometimes it makes sense to just pay for some insurance costs on the downside, because now you're going to own it through your mutual fund. So anyway, that's the breaking news. That's all I have. Like, subscribe. I'm always trying to produce new content. Follow my Exposed by Math series or other stuff that I produce. Anyway, have a profitable day. Bye-bye.